Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. Let's start the class with the page number 200. So we have discussed something that is related to addition horizontally, addition vertically, subtraction horizontally and subtraction vertically, and the meaning of sum and the difference. What is if the sum? Find the sum means we should do addition. Find the difference means we have to do subtraction. Now let us practice page number 200. Let's start. First one. Add the following horizontal addition. 5 plus 3 is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 1, 6 plus 3, 2 plus 2. Okay, we will do the addition of this. This is horizontally because these numbers are in row. So, addition horizontally. 5 plus 3. What the trick to addition? Big number, keep it in your mind. Small number in your hand. So, 5 plus 3 means big number is which one? 5. So, keep that in your mind. And 3 in your hand. 5. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, answer is 8. Then, another one method, putting lines. 5 first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. So all together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the answer. Next 4 plus 4. Keep 4 in your mind, 4 in your hand. 4 plus 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. 7 plus 2. So which is big number? 7. Keep that in your mind. 7 plus 2. 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 2. Count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Next, 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1. So big number 4 is in your mind. 1 is in your hand. 4 plus 1. 4, 5. So answer is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 6 plus 3. 6 in your mind, 3 is in your hand. 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3. 6 plus 3, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 2 plus 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. This is how to do the additions horizontally. Okay, understood? One thing, two tricks I have shown you. One is keeping in mind big number, keeping in your hand small number and adding both. Another one is putting the lines. This takes time to do a line, putting line and keeping plus again line and you should count. If you forgot to write the correct lines, then your answer will be wrong. So the easy method is to keep big number in mind, small number in your hand. So that gives exact answers. Okay, let's go write these answers in your textbook. Next we will go second, find vertical addition. 6 plus 1. Next 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 5 plus 1. 8 plus 0. 1 plus 7. Vertical means up and down. Numbers will be, first number will be top and the second number will be the bottom of that number. So this number we'll call it as addend, and this is also call it as addend, and whatever answer will come, that is known as sum. So that they told us to find the sum. Sum is nothing but the addition. Okay. Now let's do the addition vertically. 6 plus 1. Big number 6 and 1. 6, 7. Answer is 7. Or else you put the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. Next 4 plus 3. Keep big number 4 in your mind, 3 in your hand. 4, then 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 6. 8 plus 0. 0 means nothing. No, don't open any finger. Okay. 8 plus 0. Answer is, what is remaining in your mind? That is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 0. Nothing, no lines. Means how many are lines? That many you should write. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 big number, keep it in your mind. 1 your hand. 7, 1, 8. So, these are the answers you write in your textbook. Any one method you follow and do the additions. Next, third one, subtract the following. Horizontal subtraction. Horizontal. Okay. 3 minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to, then 6 minus 6 is equal to, next 8 minus 8 is equal to. Okay, let's do this subtraction by putting the lines. Okay. Now see, 3 minus 1. Put 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, minus 1 line you cross. How many are remaining? 1 and 2. Answer is 2. 7 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers you cross. How many are remaining? 3. 6 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All lines have crossed. No one line answer is 0. Next, 5 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 2. Two numbers you should cross. So 1, 2, 3. 3 are remaining. 9 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 3. So answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number is, answer is 6. 8 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should cross again 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So no one line also remaining. Answer is 0. I hope you understood this. Next we will go for find the difference. Find the difference vertically. Okay? Find the difference. Fourth problem. 4 minus 3. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 6. 6 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Okay? Now this is find the difference vertically. This is subtrahend, this is minuhand, and whatever the answer will come, that is difference. So answer is difference. So that they told us to find the difference. So 4 minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 3. So 1, 2, 3 lines have to cross. How many are left? Only 1. 9 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 1 you should cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are remaining? 3. 6 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the answer. 2 minus 2. 2 means 2 lines we should put, and we should cross 2 lines. 1 and 2 crossed. Answer is 0. So this is, let us practice. Okay. Activity, project work. This is all things. Divide the class in group of 3. Each group will play with 2 dice one by one. Make a note of the readings. Keep adding the numbers on the dice. For example, 3, 4. Here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay. Now you are not in the class. When you will come to class, we will surely do this activity. Project work, solve the sums, look carefully at the answer and color the picture according to the given codes. Okay. 6 plus 1. If 8 is the answer, so 8 has to color with green. 6 plus 2, 8 has come. Again you should color 8. 7 minus 5, answer is 2. So 2 number is with blue. So this is homework for you. Or do this at your home. I hope you understood. Complete this homework. And tomorrow we will again start new lesson. Okay. Thank you.